Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. Do you want new hair or do you want the hair of someone you really admire? Maybe you are star struck by some celebrity because of his or her hair and you want to transfer the hair from her image to your own. Now you can do that with the help of AI, all local, all free with this model which is called as stable hair. In this video, we are going to install it locally and I will be showing you a full blown end-to-end process as how you can do it. It's very simple and I will make it simpler for you by not only telling you how to do it, but also the tool which I am going to use is very simple and that tool requires a workflow which I will also be giving you for free. Now, before I do that, let's have a very quick look in very simple words what exactly this project is. We, by the way, have covered few models and tools where we have done some of hair transfer, but existing hair transfer methods really struggle to handle diverse and intricate hairstyles, so their applicability in real world scenarios is not that much. That is where this new model called as stable hair comes in, which robustly transfers a wide range of real world hairstyles onto the user provided faces for virtual hair try on. So if you have a hair clinic, maybe you can use this model. What they do, they use a two-stage pipeline which looks something like this. In the first stage, they have trained a bald converter alongside stable diffusion to remove hair from the user provided face image that results in a bald image. In the second stage, they specifically designed three modules: a hair extractor, a latent identity net, and then a hair cross attention layer to transfer the target hairstyle with highly detailed and high fidelity to the bald image. Specifically, the hair extractor is trained to encode reference images with the desired hairstyle and to preserve the consistency of identity content and background between the source images and the transfer results. Then they employ a latent identity net to encode the source image, and then with the assistance of their hair cross attention layer in the unit, they accurately and precisely transfer the highly detailed and high fidelity hairstyle to the bald image. So that is the whole architecture of it, and it is extremely important to understand it if you really want to extract the full power of this model. But if you really don't have to understand it, if you are not a machine learning AI engineer, or you really don't care about it, if you if all you want to do is to do the hair transfer, let's do this now. So the tool which I'm going to use for this video is called as ComfyUI. Again, if you don't know what ComfyUI is and if you want to follow along, do this first. Go to my channel, just search with ComfyUI easiest tutorial and watch this video and get ComfyUI installed. After watching this video, if you have never used ComfyUI in your life, you should be able to install it easily and you will be very comfortable following this video to do the hair transfer. So I'm assuming you already have installed ComfyUI and you are aware of what ComfyUI workflow is. I will also be showing you the Comfy workflow and I will also be giving it to you for free, which you just need to import and use it. But if you want to create it by following along, feel free. The model stable hair is also shared here. As you can see, I am actually using a variant of it from this GitHub repo, which I will also install shortly. Now let me take you to my ComfyUI, which is already running. This is a ComfyUI. First step always is to click on manager here and then click on update all. This is going to update everything in ComfyUI. Whenever you are installing a new model or doing something about it, make sure you update your ComfyUI. While it updates, let me give a huge shout out to Massed Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs, so please do check them out. Let's go back to my ComfyUI where you see that it has updated everything. So just click on restart and then reboot it. It is going to restart your ComfyUI. Let's wait for this red one to turn green and then we just need to reload our browser. So it is green now. Let me reload my browser window. It all looks good. Let's click on manager again. Now what we need to do, we need to git clone this report. I will drop the link to it in video's description. So in order to get the link, either just watch the video's description or just go here, click on this green button and click here, copy it, go back to your ComfyUI, and then you just say install via git URL. You can even do it in terminal, but I normally prefer to do it here. Just paste the URL here, which we have just copied, click on OK. Okay, so it says that it is not allowed here due to the security configuration. Now this happens due to the recent upgrade of the ComfyUI manager, because you see we just updated it all. So that is fine. Just click on close. Go to your file explorer or wherever you have ComfyUI installed. In ComfyUI custom nodes, ComfyUI manager, search for config.ini file. As you can see here, double click on it and open it. You will see there will be a parameter called as security level. Just change it from normal to weak and then save it, close the file, and then I'll just go here and then click on restart again. Click OK and click close. Let's wait for it to get restarted. And it's restarted. I have reloaded the web browser. Let's click on manager. Let's click on install via git URL and now paste our URL and click on OK. And this time it has installed it and it is asking you to restart. So let's click on restart, click OK, close. Let's wait for it to turn green and then reload your page. And I'm going to reload the page again. Okay, so that is cool now. So primarily what we have done is we have installed our custom node. Next step is to get the model. Go to this Hugging Face page. You can access it from their GitHub repo. And then this is a stable here by LL Racing. Then click on files, scroll down, and we need to download all these four bin files. So let's click on this first one, then right click download, save link as, then go to where your ComfyUI is installed. In ComfyUI models, diffusers, and here save this bin file. And it's already done, and they're not that huge. Let's go back and then download all these three files. Let me quickly do that. And now before I take you back to my ComfyUI, there is one more model which we need to download, and I promise this is the last one. And that model is the celebrated Dreamshaper 8 model. That is a stable diffusion 1.5 model, amazing model. A very good diffusion model, and you can check my channel if you want to learn more, but we need that. And for that, all you need to go to do is to go to the Civit AI website, which is civitai.com. Search with Dreamshaper or Dreamshaper 8, and then simply right click on this download button, save link as, go where your ComfyUI is in the models directory and in the checkpoint directory. There you go. So there you need to save this Dreamshaper 8. I already have it. So these are all the models we need to do. Let me now take you to my ComfyUI where I already have this flow ready for you, and don't worry, I'm going to give you this flow for free. I will drop the link to it in video's description, all for free. But if you like, because feel free to buy me a coffee, as I would highly appreciate it. It took me around 4 hours to create this with a lot of hit and run, but anyway, no compulsion, up to you. So what we are going to do here, we are going to put the on this face. So on the bottom one, this is the man we want to replace the hair, and this is the hairstyle we want. So we want to convert this blonde hair on this man's head with this brunette hair. So it means that the top one is our desired style. So let me show you the result, and then I will explain this whole flow, what is happening here. There you go. First we made that man bald, the bottom one. I'll just scroll down here. You see it has beard, it doesn't have, it's a thick beard. So this man, the blonde hair man, has become bald, and then it has now brunette hair. How good is that? And I know this is a bit cut off, so this is a thing I just, just for the purpose of this demo, I created these AI images. But if you are doing it, make sure that your photo is front facing, it has a full head shot, and it has of the same size. So these are few of the prerequisites which you need to do. And look here, it's a perfect amazing stuff. Rest of it, there is still, yeah, no, very subtle changes, but we can control that with the help of our prompt. But looks really good. So what is happening here now? If I start from the left, these are the images which we select. So the top one is the desired hairstyle, bottom one is our source image, and then we are cropping the face to make sure that face is fits in for the model. Then first we need to load this hair removal model. In the CKPT, make sure Dream Shaper 8 is selected. So if you would click on it, if you already have downloaded it, it will appear here. In the bald model, remember those 4 model files we downloaded, so one of them will come here. Now once that's done, then we need to simply come here, and then this is where hair are being removed, and then hair transfer is being done. If you remember the pipeline, this is the one which I showed you. It is right, doing exactly that what I explained here. So it made it bald, and then it put the hair on. And for the hair on one, this is how it transfers the model. So make sure Dream Shaper 8 is selected. In encoder one, encoder file is selected, adapter file is selected for adapter, and control file is selected for control. And then these are the bits and pieces for making sure that image size is same. You can keep everything as is, no need to change it. So, and if you want to learn more about these nodes and what exactly is scheduler, sampler, and all these values here, CFG steps, please watch this video where I have gone in this detail, and I have done separate videos on control net and all of these stuff. So now let's me select another pair of images which we will see how it works. So just click on choose file to upload. Maybe I'll just go with this one or this one. Yep. So let's suppose I want this. Maybe this time I'll just change it to blonde. So let's say I want this one, and for the source image, maybe I want to replace your bottom image girl's hair to blonde, and the rest I will keep as is. I will press on Q, and I will also show you the VRAM consumption because all the models are loaded. So it is consuming just close to 9 GB of VRAM. So make sure you have that much. So let's go here. There you go. It made her bald, not perfectly, but still. Yeah, so you see, I think this is not the fault of model. This is a fault of my images. I think I need better images. Maybe, okay, let me generate few more proper headshots, and then I'll do it. It was good in the first one. Okay, let me get some good images. And now look at these images. So the bottom one is our actual image, and this is the hairstyle we want at the top one. So we want this boy to have or man to have a blonde hair. So let's go here. So he became bald first, and there you go, the blonde hair. That looks good. Good stuff. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.